this video, I'm going to show you how to add new fields or edit an existing field inside a campaign. Let's select a campaign and click on the edit button. To add an item, click on the add item button. It will give you some options to choose what type of field or item you want to add to your campaign. Some fields can only be added once per campaign. For example, phone number, email, and name fields. Other fields you may add as many as you want. Now let's say I want to add a new item. For example, I will add the phone number field. Let's click on it. And it's added to the campaign. To adjust the style of your newly added field to match the existing ones, click on the item. That will take you to the field editor. From the field editor, you can customize a field's look and position and preview the changes live. From here you can change the height, width, color, background color, border, font size, etc. And add CSS classes to reuse styles to match with your website that already exists in your website. You can also delete this field directly from this page if you feel it's unnecessary, without having go back to the field list. After editing a field, don't forget to save the campaign. Otherwise, you lose all the unsaved customization you made.